So last 3 months I made a video, and currently the video is having 1,000 views on it. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing how much YouTube actually paid me for 1,000 views. And this is the first time I'm actually making video on 1,000 views, because this is the first time I'm getting 1,000 views on my video. I am shocked because I've really not gotten any viral video at all. So this is the highest video I've gotten since I got monetized. So let's head into my YouTube studio. Let me show you how much YouTube is paying for 1,000 views in 2025. Let's go to my YouTube studio, and this is my YouTube studio. I'll be going to contents and views on my videos. Let's look for the video. Okay, this is the video. Top live streaming apps that pay you real money in 2025. So currently, let's click on it. The video is at 1,000 views. Let's click on it to know the exact views if it's more than. Okay, the video is having 1,027 views on it. Let's go back and read time. In the past 48 hours, the video has accumulated 70 extra views on the video. So watch time on this video is 36 watch time. And subscribers, I've gotten 70 subscribers from this video. Let's go to reach. So 8.8k impressions. So YouTube have actually shown this video to 8.8k persons, and I've gotten 1,000 from those impressions. And let's go to impression click rate is 10.1 and views 1,000 views. So how viewers found this video: YouTube search 63%, browse features 15%, suggested videos 12.6%, other YouTube features 3.8%, and other 5.6%. External sites or apps: Google search is 66.7, while Bing.com is 33.3. This is like a website on Google. Maybe if someone is looking for a live streaming app that I can make money from 2025, maybe YouTube suggested my video to them. So that is how this external site deal with. You can see there is no WhatsApp. How many months ago I explained that I've stopped sharing my link to WhatsApp, so you will hardly see WhatsApp, except maybe my subscribers decided to copy my link and share to WhatsApp, and someone from there click on the link. That's how you will see WhatsApp on this external site or app. So let's go to YouTube search terms. There are lots. Let's just click on it so that we can see. Live streaming apps that pay you: live streaming apps, new live streaming app 2025, live streaming app, legit live streaming app. And from all these search terms, I've gotten 12 views, 10, 9, 5, and others. You can see to one view. So these are the views I got from all these search terms. So let's go back. So that is why it's good to always optimize your video. Always optimize your video well. If you optimize your video well, it's going to reach more audience. Now, because I optimize my video well, that is why YouTube is suggesting my video when people are using this term to search for maybe live streaming app also. Yeah, YouTube is not recommending my videos to them. So let's go to content suggesting this video. There are also much content suggesting this video, new live streaming app and all. Most of all these people, I didn't even know them. I know. Oh, no. Go back to my YouTube studio now. Sorry about that. So Vibe with Sonia, I think 2 of Vibe with Sonia videos are suggesting this video, and these are they. Let's go back. Engagement. Let's go to engagement. Engagement, as I said, watch time is 36 watch time. Average view duration is 2 minutes 6 seconds also. Why audience? Let's go to audience. I don't know, it was showing before. I don't know why it's not showing again. Unique viewers is not showing. It's showing 0 subscribers. I've said before. Unique viewers, I don't know why it's not showing. First 24 hours, you can see it was showing before. It was showing until it stopped showing. I don't know. Now it's showing. Okay, let's go to the big review, the revenue. Drum roll, guys. I've gotten $2.62 from this video. What? I don't know why this thing. Okay, watch paid ad 99.8%. You can see most is just watch paid ad, no gift on this video. You should not say it's gift, no gift on this video, just watch paid ad. And video performance, estimated revenue $2.62, views 1,000 views, and revenue per 1K views. YouTube is actually paying $2.58 for 1K views. And how much advertisers pay? Advertisers are paying $3 for 78. Advertisers are paying $3.78 for 1K views. So, guys, this is one of the reasons why I say if your video is not getting views, just leave it. If you know that you actually optimize the video well, you put in the necessary keywords and everything, you optimize it well, your title is it, your thumbnail, you can go ahead to change your thumbnail sometimes if you see that your thumbnail is not giving you views and all. Why sometimes you just leave it. Because at first this video was not getting views, I just left it there. I kept checking. When I was checking, I was seeing that YouTube was actually pushing the video. As YouTube was pushing the video, I knew that okay, let me just relax. As time goes on, the video is going to get views. I tried changing the thumbnail, but it was the first thumbnail that I used. I still used. I had to leave it like that as there was no views. I just had to put the first thumbnail there, and I left it. And now the video, this is the highest views I've gotten on my videos since I got monetized. This is the first time I'm getting 1K views. I've not gone viral. I've not gotten any viral video yet. I'm praying I should. That's why I don't want to give up. I want to keep any. With the even as my views are low, I am still earning. The fact that is just the fact. I've gotten to the threshold of withdrawing. So guys, for you to say, oh, you are still upcoming, you're not yet big, or because your views are low and your earnings are low, you just say you are tired of it, you just want to give up. Don't. If you are monetized or you are not yet monetized, just keep pushing, because one day you're going to start getting the views. With the little views I'm getting, those views are still giving me money. The funny thing is, with small views you can earn high income. That is just the fact. Sometimes I used to compare my earnings. The one I got 20 something and I was getting almost $1, and the one I was getting 200 and I was getting lesser than that. So you can see, depending on your topic, depending on your video, and depending on how much advertisers are paying. And if you now start going live and people are gifting you from there, your revenue is going to increase. So that is why I encourage you, no matter what you do, keep pushing. If it's on Facebook, Facebook will not pay you how much for 50 something views. Facebook don't even pay for low views. So that is why I still prefer YouTube. I'm not saying you should not take your Facebook or your other social media platforms seriously. Please take them seriously. But YouTube should be your number one. Yes, YouTube should be your number one. And we have come to the end of today's video. If you have not yet liked the video, please do so. Like this video. If you have any question at all, put it on the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot of information that I'm passing to you. If you are growing on YouTube, if you need to make money, if you need apps to make money, I have them on this channel. Just ask and I will deliver to you. See you on my next video. Bye.